Movies were against the law? What the fuck? Putang ina, titigan na lang ba to? What do you mean by the business? Hold taser, hold taser.
Kenji, babaero!
Give him a first warning. Lol, no aim. The fuck? Oh, aim ah. Nice job. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say, you can say it. Be against the court of law. You have the right to an authority if you cannot afford that. One would be appointed to you to understand his rights. Ba't ka kulang yung yung nila? No, wala yung doktor. You have the right to pick any kind of doctor if you cannot afford one. The government will provide you one.
Dami nyo sinasabi, mga wala naman kayong tutok, mga pulis kayo.
Boy!
Okay na, trash talk yung man.
Uy! Alis!
Trash talk. Taka na, pasok ka na. Nakabukas oh.
Ayoko
Ay,
dyan.
pumasok.
Ayoko.
Ayoko, baka mawala ako. Wala akong jail card.
Zim, ubos na. Palagi ba naman nakukulong hayop?
Sir Dane, mabait kami ha.
Babait daw. Kupal.
Tangin na talaga nitong kapatid ko. Barado talaga kahit kailan eh. Mas barado pa sa CR eh.
Gago. Payag ka nun, Jai.
Nagpipikudan kami niyan. Hanggang sa mapikon. Na mapikon talo eh.